A vibrant chapter unfolds in Taylor Swift's love story, one where she steps into the light, unafraid and unabashed. Having ended a 6-year quiet romance with Joe Alwyn, Taylor's heart now beats to a different rhythm. In the arms of NFL star Travis Kelce, she finds a fresh narrative of love, one that's fearlessly authentic and delightfully public. This shift marks a pivotal moment in Taylor's life as she embraces a more open and genuine approach to love. After a quiet romance of 6 years with Joe Alwyn, Taylor emerges with a newfound perspective on love and life in the limelight. In the breezy aftermath of her March split from Alwyn, Taylor has sprouted wings, embodying her true self. A beautiful transformation indeed, and at the heart of this metamorphosis is her blooming relationship with NFL star Travis Kelce. Their bond is one of mutual admiration, a tender exploration of each other's worlds that grows with every daily conversation. Taylor finds herself drawn to Travis's grounded nature, a refreshing blend of humility and fame. And let's not forget those undeniable good looks that have Taylor's heart all aflutter. She likes that he's a normal, nice guy. She also thinks he's hot, sources reveal. Travis, too, is completely smitten, his admiration for Taylor evident. With daily conversations and burgeoning feelings, Taylor and Travis are sailing smoothly into their romance. Embracing a philosophy of open-heartedness, Taylor has chosen to live a life that is unabashedly transparent and true to herself. Choosing to follow her heart freely and fearlessly, she's writing her own rules, unconcerned with external opinions. Following her heart comes naturally to Taylor, and she doesn't think about the consequences or the optics. In contrast, Joe Alwyn found the glaring spotlight of fame a challenging aspect during his time with Taylor. The relentless attention from the public and the magnified scrutiny of their lives proved to be a daunting challenge. Their once close bond began to fray, leading to a gradual drift in their relationship. A source revealed, they've grown apart. Taylor didn't see them working out in the long run. As we watch Taylor embark on this journey, it's a reminder that every chapter, be it solo or shared, is a melody in the symphony of life.